Hi, in this video we will see how to use power function in Tableau. So power function basically it is a mathematical function which uh, simply like we used in mathematics whenever we giving the power something like square, cube, cubic value or 4 times or 5 times, it basically multiplies the same value that same number of times that we use in the power. So in order to use this function, we will create one and use the title, set the title as power. And then we will type here power. So now we can see here just below this function, it is showing the syntax of this power function, which is usually takes two input. First is number and second is power. So also we can see on the right side here is written the definition of this power function, which is uh, it is saying that power function returns the result of a number raised to the given power. So basically, for example, we set the value here 12 as an input, and after that we will set the power. So how many times we want to this function multiplied by. So if we set the power as a 2, so it will be the answer will be 144. Basically, it should be 12 multiplied by 2 because we use the power as a 2. So if we click on apply and click on OK and take this power field and drop it onto the text, and after that click on this drop down and click on this aggregate function and select average. Now we can see here it is showing the value is equals to 44. So basically this is basically 12 to the power 2. So if you want to manipulate your value, if you want to change something in it, so for example I used 3 here and after that I click apply. So we can see here now it is showing the value 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 12, which is basically the 12 to the power 3. So here if we set the value 13 instead of 3, and here the square of the 13, 169, which is the 12 multiplied 13 multiplied by 13, which is 13 to the power 2. So instead of 2, if we set the value as a 0, let's see what happens. So now it is showing the 1. So we all know that power is there any number, if the any number it is thousand or lakhs or crores, or it is having the power is 0 to, and then answer is always 1. So this is how we can use the power function in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.